Hi students, chemistry is easy when we understand and learn. Today we are going to learn about pH scale. What is pH scale? pH scale is something which tells about you the strength of H plus ion or OH minus ion present in the given acidic or basic solution. Okay. So we have pH scale from 0 to 14 and middle part is 7, which is the neutral scale. Okay, if any solution is having a pH range, pH value of 7, then it is neutral. It is neither acidic nor basic, right? If it is 0, it is highly acidic. If it is 14, it is highly basic. Okay, so as we move from 7 to 0, H plus ion concentration increases. This side, H plus ion concentration increases towards the left. If I move towards the right, from 7 to 14, hydroxide ion increases. That is, as the pH value increases, okay, hydroxide value increases. But as the pH value decreases, H plus ion value increases. Okay. So it is vice versa. We have to remember it carefully. We will get 1 mark question which may be confusing. Okay. We must make it clear. What is acid range? pH 0 to 7 or less than 7. 7 is neutral. So less than 7 we call it as acid range. Greater than 7 to 14 we call it as base range. And neutral is pH 7. So these are the things which we have to remember. With this we will try to understand the concept still further. Okay. Acid strength decreases with increase in pH. Okay. Acid strength decreases with increase in pH. So as we move from 0 to 14, acid strength decreases. Okay. And base strength increases with increase in pH. As we are moving towards this, compared to this point, the base is increasing. Okay. After 7, actually we have the basic part. Okay. So as we increases, the base strength increases. Okay. Okay, let us see few examples here. So pH 1. Okay, what is the nature of this? We have pH 1. What is the nature? Okay, whether it is acidic or basic, we have to tell. So it is pH 1 is, yes, it is acidic. It is acid. Okay, and what is the concentration? Whether H plus concentration will be high or low, we have to tell. As the number is small, it is high. Okay, so it is high. When pH 2 we take, whether it is acid or base, again it is acid. Okay. What is the concentration? Again it is high. 1, 2 and all very high concentration of H plus. When I compare 2 and 1 will have higher concentration than 2. Okay. Comparing these two, 2 will have the lesser concentration. Okay. Now pH 5, it is again acid because it is less than 7. Again it is acid. But concentration is low. As I move towards nearing closer to 7, concentration will be low. 5, 6, 7 and all. If I come to 6.7, okay, acid and the value will be low. Concentration will be lowest. When it is reaching 7, it is almost neutral. Okay. Let us see few more example on this side. pH 8. What is the nature? pH, it is more than 7. So nature is basic. Okay. As the number increases, concentration increases. This is OH minus, sorry. So we are dealing with H plus ion concentration. Okay. So when it turns out basic, what will happen to H plus ion concentration? It will turn out to be low. What will happen to OH minus? In between we'll have one more OH minus. This is also initially it is low. Okay. So we'll put it as OH minus instead of H plus. We'll make it as OH minus. Okay. So for pH 8, nature is basic and OH minus is low. Okay. Then pH 9, nature is basic and concentration is again low. pH 12, it is basic. Concentration of hydroxide is high. pH 14, basic. And it is very high. Concentration is very high. Let us see a problem to understand acid strength better. In terms of acid strength, write the increasing order of the acid strength of the following. So we have water, we have acetic acid, we have HCl, and we have acid rain. So water, as its pH is 7, it is neutral. Acetic acid, it is a weak acid, so its acid strength is very low. Okay, so it is low. HCl is strong acid, so its acid strength is high. Okay, then acid rain, whose pH is 5.6 or less than that. Now we can arrange in the increasing order. So lowest acid strength will be 7, right? So pH value of 7. Higher the pH value, lower is the acid strength. So water takes the first position, right? Second, then we have weak acid. Okay, this will be around 6 to 7. Okay, pH value will be 6 to 7. So then comes acetic acid. Then comes acid rain, which is less than, even I can put less than or equal to 5.6. Okay, so then comes acid rain, and last comes HCl, which has the higher strength. So we have to arrange in the increasing order. First is water, then is acetic acid, then is acid rain, and fourth one is HCl. Then let us see. Yeah, which of the following statements are correct? What are the statements are correct? Higher the pH, stronger the acid. Yeah, tell me. Higher the pH, stronger the acid. Is it so? Lower the pH, stronger the acid. So the statement is false. Okay. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. As I increase the pH value, basicity increases. So acidic value decreases. Okay. Lower the pH, stronger the base. Lower the pH, stronger the base. Is it right? No. Lower the pH, stronger the acid, not the base. Okay, it is false. Lower the pH, weaker the base. Lower the pH, weaker the base. Yes, it is true. At low pH value, the base is weaker. Higher pH value only, base is stronger. Okay, I think so you have understood this pH concept very nicely. Thank you. Keep smiling.